Oh yeah. Yeah. Hey, what's up everyone? So I'm getting ready to kind of take a spur of the moment trip over to the other coast of Florida. Wanting to go over there to the Indian River Lagoon, try to do some snook fishing over there. So getting ready to take off here in a few minutes, but I just wanted to show you guys the setup that I'm going to be taking with me over there. Alright, yeah, so since I'm going to be primarily wade fishing docks over there, I'm bringing this setup, and it's a 7-foot rod. This is the Okuma DTR. This is a medium heavy power. Line rating is 8 to 20, and lure rating is 1/4 to 3/4 ounce. Hopefully you guys can see that. So this is a really good rod for fishing around docks. This is actually the rod that I hooked and fought that 100+ pound tarpon in my Everglades video not too long ago on this rod right here. So if it can handle a 100-pound tarpon, I should be able to keep some snook out from some docks with this right here. And then paired up, we've got the 4000 Inspira with 20-pound braid on there. Just wanted to use a little bit of heavier line since I'm going to be fishing cover for big snook hopefully. So gonna pack up the rest of the truck here and then get on over there, and hope you guys enjoy the video. I did not expect to hook a fish there. I'm just walking in between docks. Nice little snook. All right. It's a good start. Hell yeah. That is why I'm using 20-pound braid and 40 leader, so I can just kind of winch them out of there when I need to. I was a little far away, so I couldn't run up under there. Still not a giant that we're looking for, but not bad at all. I'll take that. There it goes.
Oh yeah. What a savage eat. Oh my God. Oh, that was awesome. Got him. Dang. Some good fish around here. Guys, I hope my GoPro got that. I can't really tell whether I had it recording or not. I just pulled a 30-inch snook out from under a dock. Big old slot fish there. Man, that kind of sucks, guys. Sorry about that. It seems like I actually was not filming when that snook hit. So, yeah, bummer. It was a good little fight. Pulled him out from under the dock with the medium heavy rod, and once he was out, kind of just played him until he was done. So, at least you guys got to see the measure on him and the release, but I'll get the next one on film for sure. Good stuff. Yeah. Got him. Let's go. Man, he smoked that thing. This is not quite as big, I don't think, as that 30 I just caught. Actually, he might be pretty close. He's probably 28 to 30, somewhere in there. That other one was just over 30. Definitely heavier. Oh, he's pissed. Oh, again. Dang. I got thumped like 3 times. Got him. Pull him out of there. I haven't seen it yet. Oh, it's a jack. That makes sense. That's a little red. That's cool. What is that? Snook? Good snook. Not huge, but maybe close to slot. Nah, he's probably 26, 27. Good little snook though, for sure. Yeah.